decided to wrap these two branches here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go around like this. I'm just going to anchor this off with one extra wrap here. I'll come back to that one. So I'm going to go give that forward roll in there. I've got my handle up here, my right angle handle, and I can just direct it up the branch with a little bit of guiding. Put that roll in again. It's pretty busy there. So might need to nominate some foliage because it's pretty overgrown just in there. Pick those out. Now it's getting quite intricate, so I'm going to grab my wire, put my handle in again, and keep rolling. Grab it again, put my forward roll in. This could probably be done with this, thinner gauge wire, but that's done there. Now the other one, what I'm going to do, is just holding the other branch. Let's start my wrap here. Grab it with the pliers. Grab it here again. Put my handle in, put my forward roll in. Grab it again. Wiring takes a long time to master, but that's what I wanted to pass on. When you put that forward roll in, you can get accuracy, you can get your wire nice and close up to the trunk, and it sort of also helps create a thread, which gives the wire a bit more strength. I'll take that off. Okay, so holding the base of the branch, because that's the most important bit when you're bending. I'm now going to do that. There we go, like that. Now I've got some foliage on top of the branch that I don't really want. So now I know that's at the top of the foliage, top of the branch. I can take the foliage out. Don't really want anything underneath, so yeah, I'll probably play with that, get it to the shape I want. Right. And just keep in mind, you're only going to be able to bend this branch, one or two times, so make sure it counts. So what we've done here, I've decided to put a little log in my bonsai. So I've drilled some holes under the log and I've put some skewers or dowel in there, sharpen the ends up with a pencil sharpener. So now I can put my little log in here. Now I can look like my junipers going around my log. There we go, something like that I can play with over the next few days and try and get my shape right. And take out those ones underneath and continue to shape it. And if I want to make it look extra pretty, now that this is a shady spot down in here, I can find myself a piece of moss from the backyard, and I can put a little bit of moss just there. Dig it down nice and deep. I can put that moss down in there. A few roots hanging out there. So there's little amendments you need to make when you first make your bonsai. Once that little piece of moss is in, make sure you hit it with the atomizer. Wherever that's gone, here we go. Keep it nice and moist. And that's your bonsai. I hope you enjoyed watching it.